What's up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the episode. We got a good one today, too. My name is Pablo. I own, work, and live here at the Tire Garage, located here in Santa Ana, Southern California. And, welcome. This is a little channel where I post all the fun car stuff that I love to do. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, yo, welcome back. Welcome back. Today we're heading over to Daggett Creek Path. It's a little trail out in Paris, California. Right now we're waiting on 4x4s. It was an open invitation. Anybody who wanted to come in, so join us for that. With all the fires and stuff going around in Southern Cal, it was kind of hard to find a path, and I'm really crossing my fingers that it's open. I hope it's open, because we've got 5 trucks here waiting to go out. We got another one's just on our way. I just saw her at the light. And we're waiting so we can get out there, go hit a trail, and do our thing. So join us for the episode. We're headed out. We met here at the shop at 8 o'clock, and it's about 9:20 right now, so we're about to take off and go hit that trail. Go have some fun, all right? Join us. Let's go check out some of the Jeeps that arrived. It's mostly Jeeps. We got a Dodge Ram, so let's go check those out. All right, let's do this. Let's roll. Put my windows down. Let's get going. Let's go have some fun. Let's go have some fun. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey. Hey. Yo, and let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane.
So, we're headed on the freeway, and Miss Blue Jeep got pulled over. Don't know why, but we were all on the row, and I was over on the right lane, and we saw the CHP, and the CHP just came in, got in between everybody, pulled over the Blue Jeep. So we got off the freeway. We're holding on, just waiting for her, and hopefully just to fix the ticket or something like that. Hopefully nothing bad. So crossing our fingers, waiting for her. So she got a fix-it ticket. I think it's because she didn't have plates. Let's see what she says. So what happened, Miss Little Please?
He said my windows are tinted.
Your windows tinted. But you didn't give a fuck about the plates, huh?
He did give a fuck about the plates. I actually only got to fix a ticket for the plates.
Nice.
But the plates were already ordered, so it's not my fault anymore.
It's not your fault. Plus
pandemic.
The DMV is behind. So.
That's what I told him. I was like, I ordered them during pandemic, and he was like, okay, I get it. Like, I can see that you've been in there, and I was like, okay.
Yeah. All right, good.
So we're all good.
All right.
Let's go.
We're good to go. Let's roll.
I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies bout to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going home for the summer in Miami when it's snowing. Might just end up in your city, baby. You won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grands. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Yeah. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane.
Yo vine a tomar nada más. Pablo, but move, I gotta gun it.
It's okay, I'm quick on my feet. Go.
Llévatelo, ya disfruto esta vida.
Eso. Hey, just don't hit my Hummer, please. Woo. Come on, Alex, this is easy for you. You got 4x4 on? Did you make it up? I can't see you. Oh, he's stuck. Yeah, ya se atoró. Yeah, you have to get a lot of momentum.
Is that 4x4?
It's not 4x4.
No?
No. Go around me. Hold on. Yo, my H3 made it up here. Look at this steep ass hill. Woo. No, buddy. No, buddy, that ain't gonna work. Two-wheel drive, he can't make it. He won't make it up. All right, cool.
in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. Turn me up. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane.
Whoa. Yo, Tire Garage TV. Yo, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this episode because this trail was a little treacherous. Some of the two-wheel drive trucks couldn't make it through the whoa. Couldn't make it through the trail. It wasn't actually a trail. There was a lot of offshoots on this one that actually got a lot of them stuck because they were literally like hill climbs, which were, for us, were fun. For the 4x4 Jeeps and trucks were fun, but two-wheel drives got stuck. But hey, it's part of it, and it's part of the fun. It's part of what we do, so, you know. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being on the channel. I'm going to post my Instagram up here, and then I'll post the shop Instagram up here too, so you guys can go follow that. And honestly, we're just gonna head home, go chill, go relax, spend the rest of the day with the fam. It's about 3 o'clock right now, so we're headed home. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Let's roll. Peace. Yo, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Let's get out of here and get to work. Get to work. Let's get to work.